Hello everyone, this is Tina Medical. Today I will introduce this pet first aid kit for you. This bag is a relatively comprehensive solution for pet owners, designed for a variety of environments. Small in size but big enough to hold essentials necessities such as gauze, cap, bandaging, ice pack, and it's very quick. Ensuring you are equipped to handle common injury and health issues, making perfect for home use on outdoor emergencies. It's lightweight. Portable design means you can easily carry during travel, hike, or outing with your pet. This all-in-one kit ensures you are prepared to provide immediate care to your pet, no matter where you are.
T-Hair Health